Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to design print-ready layouts using Frame Mask. Start by creating a new document with the correct print dimensions and resolution, usually 300 dpi. Use the Frame tool to place images or graphics precisely in your layout. Drag visuals into frames, adjusting scale to maintain composition. Add text layers for titles or captions, ensuring legibility and proper spacing. Optional tip: enable bleed and guides to prepare your design for printing without cutting issues. Group layers and frames logically to keep the file organized. Practice